Let's fix your iPhone voicemail if it's not working. Now, if you hop into your phone app and tap on voicemail at the bottom right, and this isn't working for some reason, you're either not receiving voicemails or you can't listen to them or anything like that, I'm going to walk you through steps to definitely get that fixed. Now, what we'll do is we'll hop into our settings here and we'll go through a couple different options. One is we're going to turn on airplane mode, and this disconnects from any cell network, and then we're going to turn that off again. So it will reconnect to whatever cellular network you have, and sometimes this helps to refresh that connection. So the next thing we'll do is tap on cellular, and here you can see I have the ability to turn my line off. So I can turn that off, and then I can go back into it and turn the line on. And again, this disconnects from my network, AT&T, and reconnects to that network. Once I've done that, I can also go back here and I will scroll down towards the bottom and tap on phone. Now, there are a couple different things in here. One of them is call forwarding. So we'll want to tap on that. This will call forward from your phone to another device, and then it will leave a voicemail on another device. So we want to make sure that's turned off. And then the last thing that we can do is once it says here silence unknown callers, we want to make sure that is turned off, because potentially if the person is calling and they're not in your address book, then it could be silencing them and you're not getting their voicemail working. Now, if all of these steps don't work, you can always try to just tap and press the volume up and the power button to turn off your phone, and then restart it. And you can try also to pull out the SIM card in your phone itself. So use a little like pointy paper clip or something like that to push out this button, and then you can remove that SIM card and then install it back in. And that should again help to refresh that network with your cellular network. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.